The attention mechanism in deep learning is based on the visual attention mechanism found in humans. Human visual attention comes down to being able to focus on a certain region of an image with high resolution while perceiving the surrounding image in low resolution and then adjusting the focal point over time. Attention means highlighting important parts of an image that contribute to the deserved output. In previous learning unit, we have seen that the encoder outputs a fixed length context vector H6 that represents the whole English sentence. The decoder takes the vector H6 as an input and outputs the translated sentence in Dutch. We have learned that RNNs struggle with long-range dependencies. Imagine that we have a 15-word sentence. It is unlikely that the context vector H15 at the end of the sentence still contains any information related to the words at the beginning of that sentence. Another issue is that the sequential nature of RNNs does not allow for parallel processing of information, slowing down the training of RNNs. We have to wait until the sequence is processed before taking in the next sequence. When we use the attention mechanism, we no longer try to encode the full input sentence into a fixed length vector H6. Rather, we allow the decoder to attend to different parts of the input sentence at each step of the output generation. Importantly, we let the model learn what words from the input sequence to attend to. The important part is that the decoder output word, for example Y2, ga, now depends on S1 and on a weighted combination of all the input states H1 to H6. The weights Wt define how much each of the input states Ht should be considered for the output Y2. The weights should sum up to 1. The translated word Y3, morgenavond, now depends on S2 and on a weight combination of all the input states H1 to H6. Attention is a fantastic feature, but it comes at a cost, as we need to learn additional weights Wt. Parallelization is still not possible, as our decoder still runs a sequence.